How's everybody doing today, Keto family? MatTroise here, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare your very own keto-friendly chips and salsa using low-carb keto tortillas, just like these made by Mission or the low-carb tortillas made by Aldi's. I'm going to show you how to prepare these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell, so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. There's so much talk about keto snacks in the keto world, and this is an awesome way to have some chips and dip on keto. Let me show you how to make these right now. First, we're going to take 3 low-carb wraps and place them onto a chopping board. And we're going to slice it directly in half and cut into triangular form. We're going to measure out about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Now we're going to lay the triangular pieces onto a baking tin. We're going to layer them with a top coat of avocado oil. And squeeze some fresh lime. Then we're going to sprinkle with salt and place this into the oven, preheating at 325 degrees for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Watch these very carefully as they crisp up very fast. Then you can measure out some salsa and maybe some guacamole. Wow, those were delicious. That's the beauty of these low-carb tortillas. The only downside is that it does have wheat and gluten. And some of the ingredients are a deal breaker, but it's okay to have once in a while following a ketogenic lifestyle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.